But you can use this flotation device. What they say, be floating. They can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. Now I have to contemplate. I have to consider. Ooh, I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device for the seeds. Just good. So you're saying I can trust you with this thing here? The decision is for you to make for the seed. Is the flotation device trustable? Yeah, I'm aquaphobic. Yes. Okay, let me give you. Okay, big bag of seeds for me. Big bags of seeds indeed, but is it worth it? Aquaphobia.